Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to distort a rectangle in Photopea. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer. Then, first of all, use fill, stroke size. Okay, and again create a new layer without fill. Then go to Edit tab, Pre-Transform, Distort. Again, apply the same process. Okay, again, and again, sense, ski. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.